Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So here I'm with the VAR tenants. So why VAR has two tenants? That we'll see here. The first one is the VAR tenant and second one is the demo tenant. Okay. So when it comes to VAR tenant, which is a commercial tenant, which the VAR will purchase. So which has the collaborative business innovator, that is CBI role. At the moment we call it as 3D Swimer. It has updated, like the name has been changed. So along with that, it has the platform manager role. Only these two role this particular VAR tenant has. So what is the use of it? This will help you to just engage with your technical and sales team inside this particular VAR tenant. There you can just deal with the all the contents, whatever the contents you're having. You can update it into the 3D drive, and you can even create the communities, and you can just have the conversation over there, and you can even build your own dashboards, and you can use the metrics readers and feed readers there. We can even create the two different teams, like technical team, a sales team, even subscription team, as well as we have the technical support team, pre-sales team, like this. And according to that, we can engage with the activities by using the dashboards or the communities and the posts, and even the meetings we can able to have it. So okay, internally what and all things we want to carry out, we can easily implement these all things by using this particular VAR tenant. Okay, I hope it's clear about VAR tenant. It has only CBI, 3D Swime access, and the one more is the platform management. Well, when it comes to the VAR demo tenant, you can have the access to all the roles. Okay, all the focused roles. Let's say the Dassault system is going to give the access to particular roles depending upon the certifications or the whatever the team we are having. Okay, according to that they will assign the roles. Okay, and according to that we can use this VAR demo tenant to deliver the demos. Okay, and the pre-sales and activities, what exactly we need to do, that we can carry out here. Okay, so in this we can have the dummy roles we can create, like the designer or the manager or the salesperson or the marketing person, like that, and we can demonstrate to our customers. Okay, this is how we can use this particular VAR demo tenant. I hope you got the main clarifications about what exactly the demo tenant is and what exactly the VAR tenant is. Now here you can see there are two tenants, right? On the top you can see one is 678 and one is 583. When it comes to the 678, you could able to see the 3D compass over there. The roles access only the 3D Swimer and the platform manager access we have, right? So you can even add the number of members. So depending upon the particular team inside the VAR, they can even invite the members and they can customize it. The users of the VARs, like pre-sales engineers, sales engineers, technical support engineers, and all, they can add it up. Okay, when it comes to the second one, that is the demo tenant, we have the second number. You can see it is 678 now. I have switched to the one more tenant. Could say it is tenant number 583. So once you access this, you could see from the platform, you could able to see all the roles, right? The roles which has been assigned by the Dassault system, each and everything will be available here. You can use these roles to present to the customers. Okay, by using the platform manager, you could able to see how many members you have it here. So particularly here we have the total 9 members I can able to add up into my particular platform, and depending upon the members, like the team, the Dassault system will give you the access to add up more members. So it is user based, so as many numbers of users you want to add, you can add it, but you need to get the approval from the DS team. Okay, same with respect to the whatever the customers we are going to provide. So we're gonna give them the roles and the tenant. According to that, we're gonna assign the roles inside the tenant. Okay, yep. To finally summarize, we have seen the VAR tenant and the demo tenant. In the VAR tenant, we're gonna have only the CBI role, that is Collaborative Business Innovator, 3 SWIMer we can say, and Platform Manager. In demo tenant, we're gonna have everything. Okay. Yep. So that's all about this session, guys. Thank you. Stay tuned. Bye everyone.